bought a second-hand phone only to find that it's locked by Google's FRP, that is factory reset protection, or maybe you forgot your PIN, performed a factory reset, and now the phone is asking for the Google account you can't remember. Even with proof of purchase, being locked out can be incredibly frustrating. If it's your own device and you are legitimately locked out, there is a software that can bypass the FRP lock. The name of the software is Dr.Fone Screen Unlock, and I've dropped the link to the software in the description of this video. It supports all Samsung devices and all of the Android phones, and you can try this software free of cost before you pay anything. So after installing, this is the user interface. Now Dr.Fone comes with a bundle of tools. Visit the Screen Unlock, where you will find the options like remove all types of screen locks, unlock Apple ID, remove MDM, and also bypass Samsung FRP. So click here and you will have two options, Android, and for iOS we will click on Android. Now you need to choose what you want to perform, unlock Android screen or remove Google FRP lock. You have the list of the devices that are supported and you can select the brand from here. One thing to remember, unlocking the device will erase all the data and only one device can be connected to your computer while using this feature. Now, one of the USPs of Dr.Fone Screen Unlock is it offers a more guided and reliable FRP unlock experience for brand-aware workflow and safer alternative to random FRP APKs. You can custom select the device system and chipset, but I would recommend you to go with this AI smart recommendation for the most suitable solution. Once we click start, the driver for that specific Samsung device, which is the Galaxy S24 Ultra, will be downloaded. After that, follow the instructions to wipe data on the device. First, power off your device and keep the device disconnected to the computer. You might need Samsung EDL engineering cables if your Samsung device is based on Qualcomm chipset. So you can purchase this cable from online sites. Simultaneously press and hold the volume up, down and the EDL button without releasing. Then insert the EDL engineering cable to the phone. Release the volume buttons and repeat this operation for about 15 times. That is, press the volume button simultaneously and release them. After that, you will get this option to select the model of your Samsung device, which is the S24 Ultra. Now I have selected it from the drop down menu and click next. The removing of the FRP lock has started. The whole process will take some time, and there you go, removal of the Google FRP lock is successfully done. We will now check that on the phone. So the phone has restarted and let's wait for it to start. So no matter the reason, getting locked out of your device does not have to be permanent. The device has started. Let's set it up like a new phone. So Dr.Fone Screen Unlock provides a very practical solution to unlock your device safely and quickly. And unlike online downloaded random APKs, it is safer and device specific so that your device don't get bricked. As you can see, I have skipped the account setup, that is without logging into the Google account. Another important thing to remember that we have processed this FRP removal without jailbreaking the device. As you can see, the device is all set and we are ready to use the device again just like a brand new phone without any FRP restrictions. As I mentioned before, Wondershare Dr.Fone comes with a bundle of different tools like system repair tools with which you can fix all of your iOS and Android problems. There is also WhatsApp transfer, which also supports Line, Kick, Viber, WeChat. There is also phone transfer tool which offers one-click transfer of your data from your old to new device. Data recovery solution is also included in the package. You can recover deleted data from your Android and iOS devices and also from Google Drive, iCloud, iTunes. So Dr.Fone is an all-in-one utility software for your smartphones. To download and experience the software free, click the link in the description or search Dr.Fone on Google. That's all in this video, guys. I hope that it was useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.